everyone, welcome back to Candyland, and this is the Glitter Queen speaking. I am so happy you guys are joining me in this video because this is a very different video. This mix is actually not available on my website. It is available for sale upon request, but I made it specifically to go into all orders placed on my website or on Facebook or Instagram for free. So if you place an order at all in the month of October, you will be receiving this mix in your package. This mix is called Fighter, and it's got adorable little ribbons and those gorgeous 3D stars. They're just really pink and girly and so pretty. And I really love it. There's a swatch in here. I know I have been lacking in the swatch department lately, but there is a swatch in here. So please, you guys, go down into the comment section. Tell me what you think about this mix. And if you've gotten your order, if you placed an order this month and you've received it, and you've used this mix, please just tag me in anything or send me the pictures. I would absolutely love to put together a collage of everything you guys are doing or have done with this mix because it is very special. So I will leave you guys to watch the rest of this luscious glitter porn. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will see you guys later. You guys, I just wanted to say thank you so much for all of the support that I have been receiving. I have been doing this for almost 4 years now, and ever since I launched my website in April, things have just skyrocketed from there. So thank you all so much. You guys, I love you. Bye.